rise up, all victims of oppression. For the tyrants fear you might. Don't cling so hard to your possessions, for you have nothing if you have no rights. Let racist ignorance be ended, for respect makes the empires fall. Freedom is a merely privilege extended, unless enjoyed by one and all. Together, or we die alone. In our world, poisoned by exploitation, those who have taken, now they must give. And yeah, all the vanity of nations, we've but one earth on which to live. So come brothers and sisters, begins the final drama in the streets and in the fields. We stand unbowed before their armor. We defy their guns and shields. When we fight, provoked by their aggression, let us be inspired by like and love. For though they offer us concessions,